The children's files are monitored a lot during the school year between the ECS, Early Childhood Specialist, the teachers, the parents, even if the secretary or principal need to come look at them, and your Michigan or state license person can come in at any time and look at them. You need your child's files readily available for this to happen. The early childhood specialist will come in for your PQA assessment for the classroom once a year, and she or he will look at the children's files. The state licensing lady or man can come in at any time in your classroom throughout the year and look at any child's files, so you need to keep them updated. You as a teacher are responsible, so you need to look over them periodically and make sure they are up to date. And remind parents that if there are any changes going on or that have occurred, they need to update their child's files and to have them initial and date the file.